I know you'd leave me to die on the road. I know you'd leave me out here in the cold.
Dom, it's freezing. Happy New Year.
Welcome back to the workshop, John.
I couldn't think of anywhere I'd rather be, mate. Thank you.
Welcome to another video. We're back on the Porsche. It's Friday, and as promised, John is here. John, say hello.
Hi.
He's down there doing his homework. I've got all the blueprints and the drawings of the Porsche, and we're in the process here of trying to get this rear engine bay closed up and buttoned up, all the bits welded on, all the new pieces from Trevor's Hammerworks spot welded in place, and it looking a bit more like an engine bay. What do you think, John? Promising? Are we going to do it?
We're going to do our best.
Yeah. That's all we can ask.
That's all we can hope for.
Absolutely freezing. -7, my van said this morning.
Woohoo!
Or John set off earlier than me. So we've repurposed the melting hot pot that we use for the Babbitt for the Ranelers. We turned it into a space heater. All the hot air is going up, but it's definitely warmer in here than it was earlier. So for the first few hours, we're going to be staring at tape measures, rulers, measuring, looking at drawings, and double, triple, quadruple checking all the measurements before we start actually committing to anything. So bear with us, we'll get there.
You say I'm weak when I'm being kind. I'm ripping out pages.
So this is actually the first piece from Trevor's Hammerworks that's going in, isn't it?
It is.
There's various other bits on this side. We've got that sort of perimeter bit and then that piece under there, but we're not committing with those quite yet. The first piece to go in is this back bit. I say that like I know, but that's just what we're deciding. Trevor's obviously coated them in some kind of oil for transport so they don't go rusty in transport, but we are degreasing all of that, cleaning them up, scuffing them up, and painting everything, all the back sides, the returns, the areas that we're never going to be able to get to again, with Worth's Metalite spray. It's working well. It seems to be not affecting the spot welding. The welding's working well. It's holding up to the heat pretty well, so I'm going to carry on using it. I think things are looking good.
I think.
Do you not?
I think we're heading the right way, mate. Let me get out of the way of that laser. Yeah, I know that's leaning over, but that's nothing. Look.
No, that's fine. We haven't done the top yet. Yeah.
So we'll measure off of the bulkhead to the end. Make sure they're both parallel. I'm not sure if we had that measurement.
Yeah, I did when I put the end on.
Then we can get them lower strengthener rails in.
Yeah, that first, then the two perimeter pieces, then that back corner.
Yeah. Yes, your back corner.
Yeah.
Then that back corner.
Maybe we'll have earned a chocolate cookie.
Oh, let's get the welder fired up, Dom.
Now we're talking.
Now we're talking.
We have been sitting staring at the back of this for so long, tweaking little bits, moving little bits, but we're done. We've sort of loosely bolted in the tinware that I previously repaired. That's the original pieces of sort of engine. Would you call it tinware? Yeah, engine base surround. They all line up really nicely to the new both chassis legs. It's all the right size, the right shape. We've got that back panel, which is from Trevor's Hammerworks. That's the first piece that's going to go in. And that is the first bit that actually ties the engine bay together. The two backs of the chassis legs ties them both together. That really sets the final width of the engine bay, which so many other things come from. So it was worth spending the time getting it nice and correct, which we've got it. So we're going to take the tinware back off, take the side perimeter pieces off, fire up the spot welder, and get that first back panel spot welded in place. Yes, it's exciting. That'll do. There we go. This is looking good, actually, I will say.
I've got to be honest, I'm quite pleased with the way it's shaping up.
Yeah, this is a second panel in now, basically. We haven't committed yet. This is a second sort of strip that runs along the back that will eventually be spot welded together all along there. But it's all looking good.
No, that's it, isn't it? So we can get a nice straight line from here to here, which will bring this to give us our...
So you need to go...
Yeah, our final
up
height. I know it needs to go up, yeah. It wasn't so much a case, because obviously this will all square
It's more front
up.
to back. Yeah. Oh, mind that.
Whoa! We're just happy that everything's kind of fitting in the hole, and we can actually see where our datums are going to come.
We've introduced a second laser level. We're going, it's like a party in here now.
Oh, it's going to start flashing in a minute. The battery gets down, and that'll be it. We'll be off. No, I can actually see it all coming together. Thank you. It's a valid point.
Now, John.
Wowza. Where's the lid?
Careful. Gently, Bentley.
What do you mean? I've got hold of the conductive end. Do you remember last time I used this? I pooed myself.
I'm tempted to sneak up the duration because we've gone slightly thinner on the material.
Right, okay, so we're on 0.8. I see that.
Right is the duration.
This one.
That's left.
This one, yeah.
That's the time. See the one with the clock?
Yeah, I do.
But we're on, no. You ready?
Yeah, bomb ready. Do it. I'm feeling we need more power.
Longer, but not more power. Just longer. Just sneak on one more. Go on. One more duration.
Nice.
Do you want to try it back down and go up to 1 mil?
Yes.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, it comes straight at you then, Dom.
I really enjoyed that. That's good. That's made no difference at all.
Maybe slightly longer duration. Oh,
I really enjoy that hitting the face every time.
That sounds better. That's why you got the safety goggle on.
Yeah. Quality control there.
So,
Quality control, Marshall. Yes, John.
Now you can. Surely you can go like this.
Shirley?
Can I call you Shirley? The professional at work.
One more.
Yeah.
This is quite addictive.
Mate, that's beautiful. That's our best. It's like we know what we're doing, Dom.
I wouldn't go that far. Well, there's no going back now, is there? That's it. That is in.
We're committed.
We've actually committed. It's taken
all day.
Literally all day. It's honestly 3 o'clock in the half 3 o'clock in the afternoon now. All day, and we have done next to nothing.
Oh, come now. It's not next to nothing. It's massive.
I know. Well, we
achievement.
haven't. Yeah, we've literally just been messing, trimming, fettling, bending, trimming, measuring.
We're being overcautious.
We are being. To be fair,
one go, so
yeah, we are being overcautious because these panels are really
very
nice.
expensive.
They're very expensive. They're very nice, but they're very expensive.
we don't want to be cutting it off.
Imagine if we had to cut it off again.
Well,
that panel took me half a day to make. Now, can you do the same on the other side?
Yeah, I think we get that tied in, and then we can come to our two.
Yeah. So this is what we've just done. Is the one side on the back sort of perimeter piece. We're going to do the same on the other chassis leg. That will tie them both together. Then we can run down the two side pieces, which go to the firewall.
Yeah.
Yes. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Loving it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, go on. Go down onto the lolly stick. I know it's quite a handful, isn't it?
It is. Oh, that wasn't as good.
No?
Maybe that's better.
Well, it looks good. Why did you say it weren't as good?
We didn't make as much, I don't know. That's it, when they get sparks go just in my face. Oh yeah. We've obviously checked the Porsche, used the manual and measured the gaps between the spot welds.
Well, I believe the Porsche system was
That'll
millions randomly placed, making no sense at all. More the merrier.
The more the merrier.
God.
Something's going to go wrong soon, surely. Look at that, the laser level's not moved, everything's looking good.
Chicken dinner.
Perfect.
I'm going to turn Mr. Laser off for a little while, save the battery.
Yeah, absolutely. Send it down. Right, let's do these side perimeter pieces. Same again.
Ooh. What do you think?
I like that.
You like that?
Yeah.
You've got 3 levels again. That's 3 layers.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Why?
1, 2.
Oh, has it got that on that? You want it on that little return?
Yeah, that's 3.
If I do it there, it's free. Yeah?
Okay, yeah.
Well, you'll have to crank it up.
Pop you up there.
Can't move.
Well, go on then.
There?
Right there. Did you move it down?
Oh, I didn't move it, it closed up.
Look at you go. Look, it's like a machine. It's just something so satisfying about. Yes.
I'll need a couple of Nurofen after holding this much longer. Dear me.
Well, you can take it in turns.
Why don't they make it lighter?
You still got depth on the jaws?
Not really.
I don't know, I can see depth. Look, I don't want the viewers to get seasick. Stop making me
Hold it steady.
steady as she goes.
I'm actually doing them a bit wobbly on purpose to make it look more factory.
Well, you want it more factory, mate, just randomly throw them in. Look at them factory welds.
Look at that.
Blimey.
Bloody hell.
Yeah.
Did you paint behind that?
You could sink a battleship. Of course I did.
Good.
Ready?
Yeah. You're the one steering it.
I've been set free. Oh! More spacing too wide. Oh, I'll put them on back to front.
Don't you?
So when you go back, the star hits a hill there which pushes like the spur around.
Oh, inside that bracket there's a little
and then
stub.
when you come up, boom, it comes round and then locks into there.
So what does that pin at the front do?
Well, this one,
Yeah.
that catches this star. See the star here, look.
Oh, so that's holding it. Oh, yeah.
It's like a 3-pronged star. So you go up and that pushes it backwards, which lets it come out of that. So it just hooks on there. So you go down, that's push the star around. It comes up. See it push it forward into it, look.
That's
Sit it in place. It's clever until it doesn't latch and it comes down on your head.
Yeah.
Both of them? It does look wonky.
No, it looks good. Go on, of course it will fit.
It don't fit.
Does fit.
It don't fit.
We've spent all day trial fitting stuff. It does fit. A little bit of manipulation.
Gentle persuasion. Needs a bit more. Hang on. Oh, come on.
Come on, John. I thought they just slotted in.
It does. It's so close. Wow, that went big.
I know. I'm getting excited. Right. Let's try.
Okay, so to you, to me.
No, I haven't got the pen.
You haven't got the pen.
Have you got it?
No, I haven't got
You've
it.
taken it.
I haven't got it. No.
This one works. We'll take this one. Go on then. Let's have a go. Rear panel.
I've all
In it
steamed up
comes.
now. Here we go. To you.
To me. Going outside. You wait. Ram your corner in.
Are you going on the outside as well? I don't think we can both do the outside.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Good luck. Rubbish pen back.
There must be some kind of line there. If only we had the right pen.
There is definitely, yeah, wait.
How's that? Not quite as...
That's it.
Nearly.
Go on.
Nearly.
That's all
It's
you
not
can
right,
expect.
but...
It's not. No, you're low. Why are you low? Here.
Huh?
Look.
Hey?
Come.
Huh?
You're low. Oh wow.
What a moment.
This is a massive
Achievement. This is huge. Right. Well, that is the back panel on. Not entirely. That's a complete lie. It's not. But it's actually quite nice having the back panel sitting offered up is a really good way. Yes, well done, John. John's here still. It's the end of the day. I've lost my voice. We're freezing cold. The heater's off now, but it's quite satisfying, isn't it? It's quite rewarding getting that on.
Yeah, it is, mate. It is good
Yeah,
to see. Yeah.
it's really good and it's fitting and everything is. I mean, this outer panel needs a lot of trimming and fettling and modifying, and not modifying, but just everything else around it needs sort of finishing to get it actually fitted in place. But it's offered up and it's actually looking like it's going to fit quite nicely, I think.
But like you said, once you've had a big old trim up,
Yeah,
I think
it's sticking out loads here.
well, that's because we haven't cut it yet.
Yeah, it's way too long, and it's there's lots to do.
Yeah, it all has to fall in, doesn't it? But
And then it'll get spot welded along that chassis leg there and folded under. But this corner,
oh yeah,
there's a lot going on in that corner with the chassis leg meeting the inner and outer sort of rear sections, all the inner pieces where the tinware would go, and then now that piece fits over the top of it all.
Yeah, it's just such a jigsaw
and there's
puzzle.
that bit, that extra little corner that we made a while ago over the top of it all.
But I must say, it's
all looking
coming together, isn't it? And when you look inside, it looks really good.
We've got an engine bay.
Yeah,
there is.
Just looking in here, looking at it is just.
Yeah, that's all looking really nice.
It looks like it wants to be there.
Just needs shoving in a little bit, but obviously the top once it's trimmed. Yeah.
Oh yeah, all that hard work done.
That corner, finish that corner.
Yes.
That is as far as we can get today. Hope you've enjoyed watching us. I know not a ton of progress, but a lot of measuring and making
it's
sure.
Slow work, but
Very, very slow work, but it's good.
progressing.
Yeah, we're starting to get a car. We've got an engine bay now, so it's perfect.
Yeah, there's more of a car than there was this time last year.
Yeah, or this morning.
Yeah.
But
that's true.
I hope you've enjoyed watching. Thank you so much. Hopefully next week, fingers crossed, will be another Porsche episode. It will just be trimming this and carrying on with little small steps. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.
Take care.
See you next time.
Bye. I'd like the yellow one.
I'm going to take this off.
No, let's have a look at it. He's taking it off. Dom.
Oh no, you're kidding me.
I found a pen.
For goodness sake, I've drawn the
I
line.
wanted to see it on.